Change language in World of Tanks Heat. Har 1. Open the game settings. Launch World of Tanks Heat. Go to the main menu. Open settings. Navigate to the language section. Har 2. Change language from in-game menu. Select your preferred language. Apply changes. Restart the game. Check if language changed successfully. 3. Change Steam language. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click World of Tanks. Heat. Select Properties. Open Language. Choose your preferred language. Restart Steam. 4. Verify game files. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click the game. Select Properties. Open installed files. Click Verify integrity of game files. 5. Restart Steam and the game. Close Steam completely. Restart your PC. Launch Steam again. Open the game and check language settings. 6. Update the game. Open Steam. Check for game updates. Install all available updates. Restart the game after update. Number 7. Change Windows region and language. Open Settings. Go to Time and Language. Select Language and Region. Change region language if needed. Restart your PC. Number 8. Delete corrupted config files. Press Windows R. Open the game config folder. Delete corrupted settings config files. Relaunch the game. 9. Reinstall language pack. Open Steam language settings. Select another language temporarily. Restart Steam. Change back to your preferred language. Let Steam download language files again. Number 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall World of Tanks Heat. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game from Steam. Select the correct language during setup.